This is match 1, Jagityal versus Karimnagar. So ఇప్పుడు టాస్ ఇస్తారు. You will see. These are the captains. Heads is the call. Karimnagar won the toss.
Toss win by Karimnagar. Choice defense.
Okay, thanks sir.
సంతోష్ శ్రీ అరవింద్ రాజశేఖర్ రెడ్డి తిరుమల రాజశేఖర్.
This is PD sir. These are all the players as Coco, and we are ready for the match now. The players are getting ready to attack. And కొద్దిగా రెయిన్ వస్తుంది చిన్నగా. సో అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ 5 minutes మ్యాచ్. 2 innings 5 minutesలో అయిపోతాయి. సో అది కొద్దిగా నోట్ డౌన్ చేసుకోండి మీరు. దీస్ ఆర్ ద ప్లేయర్స్. ఈ ప్లేయర్స్ ఇప్పుడు ఆడేవాళ్ళు వీళ్ళు. సో దిస్ ఇస్ జగిత్యాల డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ టీమ్. సో మొత్తం అంతా జగిత్యాల డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ టీమ్ ఇది. As you can see, these are the players who have already played nationals also. It is Naveen sir and the remaining players. You name it, you name them. You know, Sayana. So we are here. All right. So now the team talk. So they are planning strategically. We'll resume in the match. So the first three is coming.
Voting captain 5 minutes 2 innings.
Right.
So now okay, the orange boy is playing really good. So now that's a nice fake. Brilliant. They can catch him now easily. Nice, done. The second three is here now. So that's a foul. That's line foul. Nice, nice, nice.
డాక్టర్ వెల్పుల కుమార్
Brilliant by Ajji.
మీరిద్దరు స్టేజ్ దగ్గర రండి.
Okay, Navin sir on the go. Nice. Okay, Ajji, and that's nice. Okay, miss. It's a foul, and he survives now. Another foul. Nice pole touch, but not succeeded. Okay, students, if you are watching, that's a nice touch. The player is out now. So learn from these people. Okay, these are the nationals and state level players. Okay, learn from these people. These are the good players you are learning from. Look at that. That's the spirit of the game. Excellent. It's Parthu is here. That's a foul. So Parthu has to do it. Okay, nice. Navin sir is on the go. Nice. He waited really good. Ganesh. Nice. He can have him. That's perfect. Out. Nice. Nice toe touch. The third three is here. Okay. Let's see they can finish this game now. It's almost 4 minutes. It's coming. That's another point. It's Jaichal district player is really good. That's a foul. Nice. He is gone. Navin sir is playing really good. The last one is here. They have to take this point now. That's a nice turn out. That's it, gone. So they have that. You can see sprint is there. That's really good. So they are confusing the players, but the defenders are really good. They are faking it and they are going on the row. That's a brilliant dive, but it's not succeeded. No issues. So the touch was missed. Okay, he is doing the ring and fake and it's gone now. So the two defenders are here now. There's the goal. That's nice, but it's a foul. It's going by him. They are cornering him, but he is nice escape, but he's getting caught here. That's a really good dive. He got the point. There you go. That's another foul. So the time is up. The first innings is done. So the second innings is on the go now. The first three from Jaichal district are here. It's Navin sir and it's Prithvi. The other player is on the middle. You can see him. It's Vinayak, I think. So the attacker is also ready on the pole. We are waiting for the official call. It is here. That's a foul in the beginning. So that's good. Part 2 play like that. That's a foul. Nice. They came with a good strategy. It's already a half a minute. That's it. Nice. Nice. He's playing really good. That's just a miss. Okay. So he's going to do the fake and he is trapped with it. I think that's a nice thing from Parthu. He's playing really good now. It's been a minute already. That's really good for Jaichal district team. The Karimnagar district team should do a comeback now. They should take that point now. That's another nice fake. He missed the point there. It's almost a point, but he's missed it. They have to pick this point now. That's really good from Parthu. He is trapped there. That's a nice fake. Excellent Parthu. So I think they have got him. Nice. Another nice fake. Parthu is playing really good. Navin sir is guiding him. Nice. Another fake. He is not out, I think. He's still in the game. Parthu is taking it on his own. Navin sir is avoiding him. The players are focused and they are going again for Parthu. He's been playing from at least 2 minutes as of now. That's nice. He's playing incredibly well. He can manage it. I think another 1 minute. I think so. He's going for the fakes and he's doing it really good. Parthu, nice.
Match aina?
So there go. There, Navin sir is avoiding Parthu here and they are focused again on Parthu. That's a foul. And that's nice from Karimnagar players. They are going against Parthu now. But they have to pick the point at least now. They have to pick it now. That's nice. Come on, take the point. Nice. They're gone. So let's see.
3 minutes.
The 3 minutes already over. Just 2 more minutes. They got only 1 point as of now.
3 minutes over.
Nice. Navin sir is guiding them really good. He can, I think he can manage another 2 minutes. It's Vinayak turn now. That's a nice fake again. So he's going with the flow, making the chain course work for his favor, and that's a nice fake again from Navin sir. Vinayak is playing really good and they are going against Navin sir now, which is a wrong idea. I think that's a foul there. They should stick to their own plan and go for Vinayak. I think they are losing all the time. I think it's the last 1 minute left. They got only 1 point. Come on players, you can do it. Okay, the official told it's the last minute. Navin sir is playing with these players now, doing nice fakes. The fouls are there. Okay, can they get this point now? No, I think no. So now he's trying for fakes. That's nice, making the ring work for him. Going for the Chainko and they're turning against Navin sir now. So I think the time is running up. They're not getting the point. Only 1 point as of now. 10 more seconds left. Only 10 seconds left. That's it. The game is done. Brilliant gameplay by these players.
B team.
The third innings has been started.
Manager. Submit your players, please.
They are on the follow on now. They have to take more than 12 points now to avoid the follow on. Otherwise, the Jagitial district team will win this match. So know these rules from Coco.
మీ యొక్క టీంతో పాటు ఉన్న కోచెస్ మేనేజర్ వాళ్ళ నేమ్ కూడా కింద మెన్షన్ చేయాలి లిస్ట్తో పాటు
Nice pole touch, but that it is not succeeded.
అండ్ మేనేజర్
So it looks like Jagitial district team will win the match. So we will go. It's nice. These are the new first three from Jagitial district team. So they are playing really good. That's it. The player is out now. They still need 11 more points to avoid the follow on. That's a foul. That's a nice fake. That's another foul. So Jaichal district team will eventually win this match, it looks like, as these players are not giving up. The time is also already running up. So we will go forward for this Jaichal district juniors match. So I hope it's okay for you because we are already winning this match.